Hi, this is Hamid, and in this series of videos, I want to show the procedures that we need to follow in Revit when we want to do the ducting design of the HVAC system for residential building. First, I want to show the architectural drawing of the house, and then we'll follow the next required steps for the design. As you see in this CAD drawing, it's a 2 stories house with a basement. I'm going to put the furnaces or the mechanical room in the basement of the building. So the next step after loading the appropriate project template is to importing the CAD drawings in Revit. So I'm going to open the project template now. If you look at the CAD drawing, you will see the ceiling height, the basement height and the floor height and the ceiling height of the building. So I'm going to exactly replicate these heights in Revit. So if I go to the east, for example, to the elevation drawing, for example, the east one, you will see it has 2 predefined levels. So I'm going to adjust them first and add, a couple of more levels. So I create a level for the basement. So it's -6, and then I'll go and pick a line here, and then select this one, and then here it's -6 for the basement level, and then adjust this level. Oh, and then adjust this level as 2.4 inches for the main floor, and then create another level for the second floor, and then I put 12.1, and then pick a line, and then for the second level. And since we will have ducts in the ceiling, I need to create another level for the ceiling, which is 20.2 inches, and then these are the levels that I have created. So I'm going to rename these levels. So this one will be the basement level. This one, it will ask you, do you like to rename the corresponding views in the project browser? And so I said yes, so it will change it here. You see it changed to basement level, and this one is ground level. This one is main floor level. This one is second floor level, and this one is the ceiling level, just to have a couple of names for the drawings. So in the next step, I need to go to, for example, in the basement level, double click on the basement level, and I'm going to import the drawing into this sheet, in the basement sheet. So here I'll go to insert, and then link CAD, and then here I will go to the Revit data folder that I kept all the drawings, and then I'm going to import the basement drawing into it. And then I don't want to see the CAD layout in all views, so I want to have it in only the basement sheet. So I will check this checkbox to current view only, and then here for the positioning I will select center to center to make the center of the drawing matched with the center of the Revit sheet. And the units that I'm going to use is in inches, and open file. It takes a while to load the CAD drawing into the model, and you see this is the CAD drawing, and it inserted the CAD drawing exactly in the middle of the square, which can be created using these viewpoints. So this is the CAD drawing that I have for the basement level. So after importing the CAD drawing, to avoid moving the CAD drawing, I can select it and then just pin it to the sheet, and so I cannot move the drawing anywhere. So I'm going to do the same procedure for the first floor. So I'll go to the sheet, the corresponding sheet, which is for ground floor, under the name 1-make, and then again link CAD, and then here I select the main floor, check the current view only, and then center to center as before, and exactly again use the import unit as inch, because the drawing that I have in the CAD file is has been drawn in inches. So I click open, and you see it imported again the CAD drawing here. So in the next step, how can I understand if I go to the basement level, the sheet is here, and the 1-make, the sheet is here. So how can I understand that they are perfectly aligned with each other? So here I need to use the grid lines. So here in the architectural tab here, I will go and create some grids here, and try to draw grid. I will pick the line and go and select the extent, the very end extents of the file, so it draws a grid here for me, and the name of this grid is 1, for example. Then I'm going to draw another grid line here and select this line as grid line number 2, and I'm going to select this and drag it here. So I have 2 grid lines that they are perfectly visible in both floors. You see here, this is the grid line that I draw on the basement level, which is exactly aligned with the north and west part of the building, west side of the building, and I can exactly see those here. So as you see, the drawing in the basement level is perfectly aligned with the grid lines, but it is not the same in the first floor. So here I'm going and use align tool and select this line, and then select this line of the building, and then it will be aligned with this one, and again I will select this line and then select this line of the building, and you see in the both views they are perfectly aligned with each other. So everything that I draw in the basement level, for example, any ducts or any grills or diffuser that I draw in the basement level, it is exactly aligned with the first floor. So this is for the alignment, and I also forgot to pin the drawing. So I press escape, and then on this one try to select this sheet and also pin it to avoid moving the sheet away, the drawing away. So this is the first part of the tutorial, and to show how we can import the CAD drawings into the Revit and then align different floors with each other. Thank you for now.